This is just a quick follow-up on my Pinter Fresh Republic Lager. I've put this on for another 6 days conditioning. So this was the long brew that was already 20 days in total. So that was 8 days brewing and then 12 days conditioning. I've given another 6 days conditioning. I've been drinking the other one, which is the short brew, and I haven't touched this at all apart from what I poured out on the last video. So I'm going to go and see what this is like right now. I haven't poured it, haven't touched it. Still very active, which I would expect anyways, because during the extra conditioning, all the gases are just been building up in here. Whoops. And it's still hazy. It's not going to drop bright, this one, on me. It is still very, very hazy. This is not, again, I've moved it from the cold location to here, which is only about 30 steps. And I carried it carefully, and it's been left here for 2 hours, just in case anything was disturbed. And it is still hazy as, so this is not going to drop. Nose wise, let's try and sniff through all the foam at the top. It's still smelling home brewy. All right, let's go for a taste. It's still got like a homebrew taste to it. It's not as clean as the other one. I wonder if that's anything to do with the Pinter itself, because it's held so many, but then this is the fast flow tap and it's all been cleaned and sterilized, and I've cleaned really well on it before I done this, so not sure. It's okay. I said it's got like a homebrew twang. I know I said in the last video banana. I didn't mean banana. I mean, there's just, when you have it, you'll know. There's sort of that homebrew twang sometimes to a beer that you don't get in a main lager or beer if you bought in bottle or from a pub. This just has a twang to it. It's drinkable, but it's just got that twang. Which I normally put down to being like the malt extract, rather than anything else. I think it's just the malt extract brings across that flavour. I do like the new fast tap, but I've got to be careful with the active ones. It does really create quite a bit of head. I'll hold its camera, hope that you can see. This, to me, I can see my finger through it. If I put it there, I can see the colour of my finger. Sorry, as I was saying, Mrs. came to ask me a question. I can't see my finger through it. I can make out the colour of my finger on the other side, but I can't see my finger at all. It's drinkable, yes, I can drink it, but I still prefer the other version that I brewed. And I don't think it's anything to do with short brew, because normally longer brew would be better. I don't know what it is. It could be maybe something wasn't cleaned properly in the Pinter or in the brewing dock or anything at that stage. Could even be the temperature condition of the actual package coming through to me, or how long it had been held, if it was a different batch because I didn't get them at the same time. Who knows? But this was not as nice as the short brew one, but I'm not putting it down to the brew times, I don't think. I'd have to do that again with something else. Maybe I'll try an IPA or something, or the APA I may try it on. I'll try both of them and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm going to drink through this one. This will be my beer for the weekend. Weekend starts tonight, it's Friday. And I'll enjoy it, but it's not as good and clean as the other one. There we go. I have got my Upland social through. I do need to clean, well, do need to properly clean out my red co-pinter that I've got downstairs, and I will try to put that together soon and do a taste of it once it's finished brewing. I think it takes 12 days. So my next video will be that on the pinter. Until then, guys, take care.